What the helly? Okay,
Wait,
this
what?
one's my house because it has two different.
I. No. Ha! You have to optimize your game. You have to optimize your game,
I
bro.
parked my truck.
Oh, let me.
You like my? I'm so good at parking.
I'm
you
good
try?
at parking.
Okay, this is my house in the middle of the street. Our house in the middle of the street. Our house.
Get out of the road!
There's probes in here.
Oh
Where are the probes
yes,
in my
great.
house?
This is the best parking job.
Toilet. Poop. Get.
That wasn't
I'm gonna
me.
go to the store.
Oh, can I come? Can I come?
Oh, the tornado's
I'm
running.
I'm stuck.
It's already out of the map. Or it's like almost out of the map already.
Oh,
We'll just wait for different tornadoes.
never do. Oh my gosh.
According to my calculations,
I don't have enough money.
Fortnite
How much can I get? What do I have
fully
to buy?
lagerator.
I guess we're storm chasing broke then. Let me in your pickup, bro.
Hey, dude, bad news.
Oh. That's normal. Just ignore.
Yeah,
Just
bro.
ignore. I almost
Yeah,
get.
bro, bad news, bro.
I almost got pelted by flying the boot.
We almost got hit by the roof. It came right at us. It's getting thrown from all the way over there. It's not even on the ground yet.
Just ignore. Well, it's
Why did
turning
it just
night.
get so much weirder?
This is a game. Why are we going like
Stop
2,000 miles an hour?
resisting!
What are we gonna do? Arrest the thing?
Parking on.
It's a rotation again, by the way.
It says it's
Alright.
yellow for me.
Well, I'm gonna go upstairs into your house and sleepy. I just hope a tornado doesn't
Okay.
come in the middle of the night.
I'll wake you up if something bad happens.
Okay, just don't come upstairs.
With my loud ass engine.
Can't
I can't even
say
turn it off either.
Just come upstairs, there's beds.
Sleeps next to you.
Hop in the whip, we're gonna go someplace else.
I'm in the whip. Oh, big thunderstorm warning.
Oh, hey.
Isolate yourself tonight when you're in your bed. Stimulate the dopamine passing through your head.
Did it die? This turned
I
out
can't
clear.
tell.
We might
I
might be fine right here.
It's going down.
Let's go deploy here.
Yeah.
Might want to hurry up.
One of yours fell over.
It's fine.
Yeah, he's pretty angry. Hello, sir. You can't do this, dude. 1,000K or something like that. It was like a lot. I don't remember how much. It was when I got those two EF5s, so like 2 in a row.
Okay, let's try and climb it because
What
we're
the
at the
freak? You just
we're at
broke
the center.
fence.
I don't care. The fence can die. Fence can suck it, man. Booyah!
I don't think it wants to, though. On a small iron bar.
Yeah. I jump.
Lag.
No, I messed up.
Here. He won't see me.
That won't
I don't
matter.
think the
You'll be
tornado will
dead.
see me if I do this.
Okay,
They
great.
despawn anyways. Can you bring me over there? Cause I'm at a solid 1.2 FPS.
Have fun.
I just need to go get my probs.
Oh, did it soft lock me? Yeah, it did. I don't really have a choice.
Crap.